Get the Tomahawk Power Vibratory Screed with a 1.8 horsepower Honda engine. Tomahawk screeds are 4 times faster than traditional concrete finishing methods, operate with just one person, and save up to 75% in labor costs. Lightweight, effortlessly lift the screed's frame with ease. This Tomahawk screed is perfect for concrete slab pours, sidewalks, industrial warehouses, and more. With multiple board length options, it's the most effective way to finish concrete jobs fast. Power your world and get yours today.